ManKitchenRecipes, and today I'm just going to do a little instructional video thing. I don't know if you've noticed when I use my Blackstone or not, but other people have, and they've asked me about it, so I thought, well, I'll just do a quick little video talking about the wind screens that I have on here. Yeah, see what that is? That's one of these, cut up. And we get a lot of wind here in New Mexico, this part anyway, usually in the spring. It helps, I like the heat deflector part of it. It helps keep the heat from heating up your shelf too hot. So anyway, let me just show you a couple of things, and we'll get going, because I want to show you the heat comparison with it off and with it on. So anyway, that's how easy this is. This is just a double-walled cookie sheet, broiler tray, whatever you want to call it. It does have little pinholes in it. If you look at the Blackstone windscreens, they are about 15¼ inches wide, and that's about what this is. And that fits down here. And all I did was I cut these edges off, both sides, and I cut it right down the middle. And I just used my kitchen shears. Just that easy. If you don't have the lid actually blocks the wind on the back, so I didn't have to do anything on the back. But if you use one of these pans, if you cut a little slit and these edges would fold out, you could probably get close to the 17 inches on either side. And this is for the 36 inch. You can cut these to whatever size you want. They're cheap. I don't know, maybe $5. And I think I got them at Walmart. I've looked for them again, but I haven't found them. So it was either Walmart, it might have been Sam's Club, but and I use this because it was a double wall, just for a little extra heat protection. So that's how I made them. But I want to show you the difference with and without it as far as the heat goes. Today there's a slight breeze, but not much. So let me get this Blackstone turned on, and we'll get going on it. We're gonna let that heat up. Right back. Okay, so while my Blackstone heats up, I put a cookie sheet here. This is for demonstration purposes. I want to show the heat with the heat block in there, windscreen. I like it as a heat block. Works great as a windscreen. There you see I have it folded over. Got them on both sides. So I'm going to let this heat up about 10 minutes, and then we'll show you the difference in the temperatures. Okay, the grill has been on for about 10 minutes, and we're at 480, 460, depends where I point it. And over here on our cookie sheet, I am measuring 87 degrees, 88. You can see that, I hope so. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a rag here, and I'm gonna take this off and let the tray heat up for about 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, let's shoot the gun on there. Got 159, 160. If I go closer, it's 180. Over here, 104, 100 over there at the edge. Down at the bottom, 134, 135. I don't know how many times I've come up after making breakfast and grabbed this right here, and that's too hot to handle. And talk about burning your hands. So that heat deflector really does block the heat. So there you go. For about $5, well, probably less than $5. I probably got 2 or 3 of them for $5. Just make your own. Okay, so there you have homemade heat deflector, wind deflector, whatever you want to call it. It works great, easy to make. Thanks for watching. We'll have a cook next time. I see we still got heavy machinery back here. Anyway, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next cook.